Hello, this is Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up EZCAD2 software. First, I'll go to the website and download the software. From the menu support, download. Click the fiber laser marking machine. And in this page, JCJ laser fiber control EZCAD. In the list, I will download the driver for Windows 10, also the software EZCAD 2.14.11 because my machine with standard mainboard. Okay, I clicked the driver and now the software. After the file download, I'll go to the folder download. The file I need to extract or unzip. I'll move it to the desktop. Okay. Now I open the EZCAD. It said cannot find a dongle. Software will work at the demo state. This is because the driver was not installed correctly, or the machine didn't connect to the computer or laptop via the USB cable. Okay, it's the demo. I close it. My computer is Intel CPU and Windows 10 system. Okay. Now I go to the device manager. Currently I have no EZCAD connect. Now I connect the fiber laser machine to my computer via the USB cable. And now we have a new device called a USB at MCV2. Okay, right click and update driver. I will browse my computer for driver. In the desktop, I choose the file folder I download just now. Click OK and next. Okay, now the driver was installed correctly. Laser mark control board V2. Now the driver update and now it shows the device like laser mark control board. Okay, as of now the driver was installed correctly and I can use my EZCAD software. I reopen it. No demo information. It's in the normal status. So the software was installed correctly. Thank you very much.